Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to use simple point mode in AJ Autoclick, aka One Tab. Now, in order to use it, so if you are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorial like this. Now, let's go there. Here, click on Start. Now, here you can see simple point mode. This simple point mode feature is used for repeated tapping. Now, in order to use it, just click on it. Now, click on this start icon here. This control bar will come out. You see the control bar. Now, in order to use it, what you will do now is go to particular application where you want to use it, or particular place you want it to be tapping. Now, here I'm going to use this live video to show you an example. Now, what you will do in order to use it on this live video, just click on this heart icon here. Now, select where you want the target click to be. Here you see it. I'll put it on this heart icon. You see it. Now click on this setting icon on the control bar here. You now set up the click interval you want it to be. Here I will let me use seconds. After selecting the interval you want it to be, which is the time you want it to be clicking, now click on save. Now click on this play icon. Here you can watch the live video and the AJ Autoclick will be clicking the like button or sending heart to the live video. Here I'll be watching the live video and the AJ Autoclicker will be clicking on this heart icon. Here now
about Israel.
you see it just like the video based on the click interval I set it. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Now watch this video on the screen in order to know everything about this AJ Autoclick. See you on the next video. Once again, peace.